Introduction to common issues with Semrush position tracking. Semrush position tracking is a powerful tool used to monitor website rankings and analyze competitor performance. However, like any other tool, it is not immune to common issues that can affect its accuracy and effectiveness. In this guide, we will walk you through the most common issues with Semrush position tracking and provide practical solutions to overcome them. Understanding position tracking. Position tracking in Semrush refers to the process of monitoring the ranking of a website or a specific keyword on search engines like Google. The tool provides insights into keyword rankings, competitor analysis, and technical SEO audits. To get the most out of position tracking, it is essential to set up the tool correctly and understand its limitations. Common issues with Semrush position tracking. One of the most common issues with Semrush position tracking is inaccurate ranking data. This can occur due to various reasons such as changes in search engine algorithms, incorrect keyword settings, or technical issues with the tool. Another common issue is the failure to track keywords correctly, which can result in incomplete data and inaccurate insights. Solutions to common issues. To overcome inaccurate ranking data, it is crucial to regularly review and update keyword settings. This includes ensuring that the correct keywords are being tracked and that the search engine and location settings are accurate. Additionally, it is essential to monitor the tool for technical issues and report any discrepancies to the Semrush support team. Best practices for Semrush position tracking. To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, it is essential to follow best practices such as setting up keyword clusters, tracking competitor keywords, and regularly reviewing ranking data. By doing so, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your SEO strategy. Conclusion. Semrush position tracking is a powerful tool that can help you monitor website rankings and analyze competitor performance. However, common issues such as inaccurate ranking data and incorrect keyword settings can affect its accuracy and effectiveness. By understanding the common issues and following best practices, you can overcome these challenges and get the most out of Semrush position tracking. Regularly reviewing and updating keyword settings, monitoring the tool for technical issues, and following best practices can help you gain valuable insights and improve your SEO strategy.